Let's run it without radiators. See how long it'll last. Gotta use max power.
An hour and a half now of running without any radiators on it, without any water pump cover on it. So there isn't any coolant in that.
It's still running with no radiators, no cooling system. Pretty wild. I would say it's a success.
2 full passes with no oil pump belt and the most minimal amount of engine damage you've ever seen. Hurt 1 bearing, no valve train wear, no valve train problems. 2 passes. This isn't 2 passes like you're going down to the grocery store and back. This is 50 pounds of boost passes, okay? Burnouts, drive back, the whole thing. I believe in this product 100% saved the SMX. Point blank. Period.
Can you give kind of an estimate about how much money you saved by running REV-X?
Thousands. So we were in the mod class, we were burning up a outdrive every 2 to 3 events. With the REV-X Drive H gear lube, we are going 1 to 2 seasons now. So, I mean, it's 1 to 2 seasons or 1 to 2 races. It's pretty much a no-brainer. And anybody knows the Bravo rebuild is about $6 grand. So.
Dude, I have to thank all Team REV-X, and just you guys make an amazing product, and it's really cool to have someone sick, by your side for so long.
In emergency, we've had to run spare drives before that don't have REV-X in it. You can tell an immediate difference.
It's noticeably different in the color of the gears after you look at them when you're running REV-X. No color pattern change, no heat wear. The gears actually polish themselves. And looks like I gave it to somebody and had it polished after a few races. It's the best cushion, the best lube. I don't know how else to describe it.
Do you think you would have won 7 championships without the help of REV-X?
Absolutely not.
Right,
absolutely not. You to win a race, you have to finish, and if you don't have the best equipment and the best stuff to put in it, you can't win.
Oh, I mean, there's nothing better than REV-X. Thank you guys, the whole company, the product. I mean, I couldn't ask for more.
Yeah, no, without a doubt, thanks for the support, man. It's so awesome to have someone that sticks with you, that makes everything run better, last longer. You guys rock.
It saved this. It can help save yours.
We love having you as part of the team this weekend.
Glad to be on it.